Dumpster rental service in Florida. Are you looking for a dependable dumpster rental service in Florida? Big Blue Dumpsters is here to help. We provide the perfect solution for any cleanup, from home projects to large construction jobs. We offer dumpsters in various sizes, ensuring you have the right fit for your needs. Whether you're tackling a renovation, clearing out your yard, or managing waste from a significant build, Big Blue Dumpsters has the right container to keep your site clean and organized. Our team takes pride in delivering exceptional service, ensuring your dumpster arrives when needed. We understand the importance of convenience, so we make sure your rental process is seamless from start to finish. With flexible rental periods and a range of options, we make keeping your project on track easy. Need to extend your rental? No problem. We're here to accommodate your schedule. We handle almost everything, from construction debris to household waste, ensuring that all waste is disposed of responsibly. This lets you stay focused on the task while we take care of the cleanup. Call us at 727-584-8058 and experience how simple waste management can be with Big Blue Dumpsters. Our team will help you find the right dumpster, ensure fast delivery, and provide flexible rental options, making your project smoother from start to finish.